Hi, this is Vicky from patternprincess.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do a front post and a back post double crochet. So I already have a row of double crochets here done. So I'm going to chain 3 as my first one, yarn over, and then I'm going to go behind this post. This is called a post. Each one of these double crochets has a post. You see that? So I'm going to put my hook behind here, and then I'm going to complete my double crochet. Go through the 2 loops and go through the 2 loops. All right, yarn over, and on my next post I'm going to go behind here and go in front of that post, right, with my hook. So this is a front post double crochet. I'm going in front of it. Now I'm going to yarn over. Now I got to go the opposite way for this one, right? So I went in front and now I went behind. So now I got to go in front again. Okay. Now I got to go behind my work and go in front of this one. And then I'm going to go behind this one. And then I'm going to switch off, go behind here. My yarn is tangling here, apologize. Okay, yarn over, go behind this one. Yarn over. I'm going to go around this one. I'm alternating which one I'm going behind. You see that one? I'm going behind the way, and I have the front post sticking out, and the other one I'm going the other way, and I have the front post sticking out the back. Okay, oopsies, and front post. Okay, and I'm going to just do my my double crochet in the end. All right, so this is how you do the front post and the back post double crochet. You see how you start to make that ridge look? So when I'm going through again, well, here, I'll start some more for you. You'll see how it'll look after I do like a second row. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if I want to keep the same, I could go opposite and it would just have a bubbly effect. But if I want to keep the same ridges, I'm going to go around here, because then it'll give you a really nice rib look. Let me show you. And then this one I went behind this way, so now I'm going to go this way. This one I went this way, and if you keep going that same way, you'll have a beautiful rib look. But you can also have patterns where you alternate which one you're going to go behind, and you'll create almost like a popcorn stitch. And I'm not really sure if that's the name of it, but it gets kind of like a little puffy stitch. So, do you see how nicely that's turning out? You have like a little ridge look in there. And that's how you do the front post and back post double crochet.